Hello, today we will guide you through how to add VWAP indicator in Thinkorswim. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the volume weighted average price, or VWAP, displayed on your chart so you can quickly gauge where price is trading relative to average price weighted by volume. This is a popular tool for assessing intraday trend and potential support or resistance. Start by opening Thinkorswim and let the platform fully load. Once you're in the main workspace, make sure you're in the trading layout you typically use. If you see multiple panels, focus on the main chart area so the next steps are easy to follow. At the top of the platform, locate the tab labeled Chart or Charts. This is where all of your technical studies and overlays live. Clicking this brings the chart to the forefront, so any indicator you add will be applied right where you're looking. If you're working with multiple symbols, just keep the current symbol on screen. The process is the same regardless of what you're viewing. With the chart active, look for the Studies control near the top of the chart window. Depending on your layout, it may appear as the word Studies or as a beaker-style icon. Click it to open the Studies panel. This panel is your library of indicators, strategies, and overlays, all organized and searchable so you can quickly find what you need. In the Studies panel, use the search field and type VWAP. You don't need to worry about capitalization, the platform will recognize it. You should see VWAP appear in the results list. If your list is long, give it a second to populate and then confirm you've selected the standard VWAP study. Now double-click VWAP in the results. This action adds it to your chart. You'll notice the indicator appears as a central VWAP line, often with upper and lower bands derived from standard deviations. That central line represents the average price weighted by traded volume for the session, helping you see whether price is trading above or below where most volume has occurred. Take a moment to visually confirm it's on your chart. If your chart is zoomed in very tightly, you may need to scroll or zoom slightly so you can see the full VWAP line and its bands across the session. Once visible, you can proceed with your analysis as usual. You're all set. The VWAP indicator is now active in Thinkorswim, ready to support your intraday and swing decisions with a clear volume-weighted reference point.